Jessica here. I hope you all have enjoyed making your very own special Villa pizza today. And as you sit down to enjoy it, or maybe it's still in the oven cooking, I have two very special pizza-rific books to share with you. The first one is by Pete the Cat. He is one of my favorite characters of all times. He's so cool and groovy, and in this book, he enjoys some pizza. So let's find out what Pete the Cat does with his pizza and his friends.
Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. Look at all those yummy pizzas. Well, maybe not the smelly sock or the fish one. Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party! You are invited to Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games, bring your swimsuit. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Callie said pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new. But maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party! Squirrel said, pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party! Grumpy Toad said pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine. But I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new. But maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle pizza party. Gus said pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles will be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new, but maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn pizza party. Pete's Pizza Party Bus. Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new, but maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza party. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high, they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Try something new. Might be fun. They all built up the courage to take a first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight! Dynamite just right! In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. The end.
Now, let's switch over to another pizza-loving critter. A raccoon in Secret Pizza Party. Poor raccoon. All he wants in life is some pizza. If only he knew how to ask politely. Ah, pizza. So beautiful, you could hang it on the wall of a museum. So convenient, you could eat it in the bathtub. Of course, the best part about pizza is the gooey cheesiness, salty pepperoniness, sweet tomato-ness, and crispity, crunchy crust. Yum! Oh, sorry, raccoon. I didn't mean to rub it in. But hey, cheer up. I just had a great idea. Let's throw a pizza party at your house tonight. But shh, don't tell anyone. This will be a secret pizza party. I know what you're thinking. Why would we keep such a delicious party a secret? Okay, sure. It's so folks don't show up to bonk you with brooms. But that's not the only reason. When you make something secret, you make it special. Regular handshake? Boring. Secret handshake? Booyah! Regular staircase? Tiring. Secret staircase? Terrific. Regular pizza party? Get that raccoon off the table. Secret pizza party? Get that raccoon another slice of pizza. He's the guest of honor. Hot diggity dog! Our pizza party is going to be so much fun. Call the pizza man and tell him to bring over his absolute finest pizza pie. Hang on a minute. You don't want the delivery guy to know where you live. He might recognize you from the posters and chase you off with a broom. Think, raccoon. Think. Looks like he's got an idea now. Let's find out what it is. Oh my goodness. Raccoon in disguise. Okay. Now, just play it cool. You're just an honest pizza buying citizen who left his wallet in the car. The pizza man thinks you'll be right back. Let's go! I planned the perfect getaway route. Around the broom factory, over the broom enthusiast club, past the raccoon sniffing broom bots. Wait a second. Raccoon sniffing broom bots? Uh-oh. Run, raccoon! Run like the wind! Whew! We made it. Let's barricade the doors and pop up with that pizza box. Secret pizza party! Oops. I said that kind of loud. Sorry. Pizza smell gives me the happy screams. I can say that that raccoon really loves pizza. Look at his room. Pizza bed, pizza posters, a pizza lamp. Whoa. Try not to crunch too loud. Definitely no high-fiving, or music, or dancing. In fact, you'd better turn off the lights and whisper, just to be safe. Secret pizza party! What's the matter? Sweet sassy molassy, look at all that pizza! Clearly, these people are much better at throwing parties than they are at keeping secrets. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Okay, you're in. Just play it cool. No one suspects a thing. Uh-oh. Oh, raccoon. Secret pizza party!